Inwardly, we must be different, but outwardly blend with the crowd. Anyone who can make you angry has mastered you. First rule: keep a spirit that cannot be shaken. Second rule: see life as it is and accept it. Each morning you rise, remember, it is a gift to breathe, to think, to love. You hold power over your mind, not over events. Realize this, and you will find strength. He suffers more than he must, who suffers before he must. Be the cliff, let the waves crash, but remain unmoved. Nature gave us 2 ears, 1 tongue. Listen twice as much as you speak. People guard money fiercely, but waste time as if it's endless. Time is the one thing we should be most stingy with. Live each day as if it were a life in itself. If you want to escape your pain, don't seek a new place. Become a new person. Until we give things up, we never realize how little we needed them. We kept them simply because they were there. If a man does not know to which port he sails, no wind is favorable. We love ourselves more than others, but value their opinions more than our own. Here's a rule to live by. When life tempts you toward bitterness, don't say, "This is misfortune." Say, "To bear this nobly, that is good fortune." You conquer the world by conquering yourself. Don't debate what a good man should be. Be one. What you dwell on becomes your mind. If it's not right, don't do it. If it's not true, don't say it. It's not what happens to you that matters. It's how you respond. Everything we hear is opinion, not fact. Everything we see is perspective, not truth. Luck? It's just preparation meeting opportunity. The poor man isn't the one with too little. It's the one who craves more. Knowing yourself, that's where wisdom begins. Difficulty reveals who we really are. To be everywhere is to be nowhere. Death smiles at us all. All we can do is smile back. The more we value what's outside our control, the less control we have. Nothing lasts except change. Person's worth is measured by what they value. If you want to grow, be willing to be seen as foolish. Uncontrolled anger hurts you more than the one who triggered it. No one becomes wise by accident. To be brave is to be free. Let go of your sense of injury, and the injury vanishes. The willing walk with fate. The unwilling are dragged. What we do now echoes forever. While we wait for life, life is passing us by. And each day, as if it completes your life. That way, you're never out of time. You carry something inside you, more powerful than anything outside you. Don't be a puppet. True wealth is not in having much, but in needing little. Speak little, or only what matters. All cruelty comes from weakness. The road to greatness is rough. Act each moment as if it were your final act. Whatever could happen someday could happen today. Don't explain your philosophy. Live it. Just because something is hard for you doesn't mean it's impossible for others. Freedom lies not in getting what you desire, but in removing desire. Circumstances don't shape the man. They reveal him. Fear not death. Fear never having truly lived. Stay close to those who uplift you. Their presence will call out your best self. We were born for each other. So teach, or bear with others, can only ruin your life if it ruins your character. Otherwise, cannot touch you. Happiness depends on the quality of your thoughts. Just as you need a teacher to read and write, you need a master to live well. Life is short and anxious. For those who forget the past, neglect the present, and fear the future, be tolerant of others, but strict with yourself. Your days are numbered. Open your soul to the sun, or it will set, and you with it. The best revenge? Be nothing like the one who hurt you. Sometimes, just living is an act of courage. It's not that life is short. We just waste so much of it. Whatever happens, happens as it should. You'll see it if you look close enough. Our life is shaped by our thoughts. The consequences of anger are always worse than the cause. He who fears death will never live fully. We live now. Everything else is memory or guesswork. Progress isn't luck. The self-work daily. At banquets, remember, you feed two guests, body and soul. The body forgets, but the soul remembers everything. No one can have all they want, but anyone can choose to want less and use well what they already have. If what you have feels insufficient, even owning the world won't make you happy. He is most powerful, who has mastered himself. Difficulties build the mind like work builds the body. As with stories, so with life, what matters is not how long, but how well. Life well lived is long enough. The best answer to anger is silence. Even so, nature sets limits on silence, as it does on hunger. Nowhere is quieter than your own soul. If someone wronged you, they were either weaker or stronger. If weaker, spare them. If stronger, spare yourself. The obstacle becomes the path. To want healing is already a step toward it. Receive life without arrogance. Let it go without resistance. No great thing is made quickly, not even fruit. Wait, let it bloom, then ripen. We suffer more in imagination than in reality. No one escapes their destiny. The question is, how will you live what time you're given? The future is uncertain. Live now. Every beginning comes from another beginning's end. We don't suffer from events. We suffer from our judgment of them. It's not the events, but how we see them, that shapes us. Nothing is truly terrible, not even death, unless we fear it. If what they say about you is true, correct yourself. The false, laugh. Attach yourself to what is spiritually higher, regardless of what others say or do. Stick to your inner compass. No matter the storm, stay present. That's the only time you own. No man is free until he rules himself. Very little is needed to live a happy life. It's all in how you think. Live in tune with nature. You'll never be poor. Live by what others think. You'll never be rich. Be indifferent to what makes no difference. The greatest blessings are already within you. A wise man is content with what he has, without craving what he doesn't. We worry more about imagined fears than real problems. Small minds blame others. Average minds blame themselves. Wise minds see blame as useless. Respect the past. Be open to the future. Life isn't short. We just waste it. Stay calm. Stay centered. No matter what life throws your way,